Hey guys, it's a hot one out here today. We have 105 right here in the car right now. So some of you may know that I live here in Syracuse, New York, and our only vegan eatery, vegan cafe is Strong Hearts. And recently they just closed their first location after 12 years. But they're opening a new one, so I'm gonna go down there today to get a little sneak peek of what it's looking like, and they'll be opening soon, so let's go check that out. Okay, we are here. I got my my mask bandana here in case I'm gonna need that. Let's go check it out. The new Strong Hearts right here. What are we making, outdoor seating?
Planters, actually, yeah. That's one of them.
Building these planter boxes that are going to kind of surround this patio.
All right, I'm standing outside of the brand new Strong Hearts. They're not open yet.
Yeah, we should be open. We hope to be open this upcoming weekend for like a soft open, and then full on open next week.
Sweet, can we take a look inside?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll be coming here again soon when they're actually open to see the food. But let's go check out the layout. Wow. Are people gonna be sitting there, or just gonna like put...
So this is just kind of like a waiting area. So if you ordered and you're getting food to go and you just want to chill out, or if you just want to sit here and drink a milkshake, you know, this is the place to do it. It's just kind of a cool hangout area, so you're not sitting at a table taking up space that other folks are waiting on. But we don't expect to run into seating issues here. We have enough seating to seat 65 people indoors and 12 people out on our patio.
Sweet.
So it's just kind of like a unique design feature / waiting area.
Look at all this. There's a lot of room in here compared to the last one.
Yeah.
So what kind of new things do you have as far as like the food?
I'll show you that in a second. It's another seating area. Bench seating with tables and chairs pushed up to it. We have a 14-foot long bar that will have stools pushed up to both sides if you want to sit on your laptop and drink your coffee. This is a good spot to do that. Blueprints here. 2 brand new bathrooms.
Oh wow.
That are clean and not down a weird dark hallway.
We got whatever, just wash your hands. Yeah. Right in here, no dark hallway.
Yeah, clean, fresh, modern. Got 2 of those.
Oh wow, I actually really like this mirror.
Yeah.
The brick mirror.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Just way more space than the other spot. This is going to be our grab and go cooler. All of our cupcakes and cheesecakes and other desserts will be in this refrigerated display case. Down below we'll have our drinks.
Oh, you actually have rooms for, you know, from a cookbook now, but I don't have a cookbook for it.
I know. We'll have our drinks down here as well as our like grab and go wraps and sides and things if you just want to grab some food and run. That'll be the place to do it. Looks
like you already got some sparkling water down here.
Yeah, in the old spot. Just lots more room to work and operate and move. We're going to have 2 POS stations, one here and one at the other end. If you're walking in to eat your food in, you'll come to this register. If you've already ordered online and you've already paid and you're just coming to pick it up, you'll go to a separate register so you don't got to wait in line. Make things a lot quicker for everybody.
And it looks like you finally have like a lot more cooking. So this is for just like the front end, and then this is the actual kitchen back here?
Yeah, the kitchen we're going to go to in 1 second. But I did want to point this out too. We're going to have Recess Coffee Cold Brew on tap.
Oh wow.
Nitro Cold Brew, which I'm a huge fan of.
Is there a coffee on tap?
Yep. Ice bin for all of our cold drinks.
Where are you putting your ice cream for milkshakes and stuff?
Ice cream, I'll show you that in 1 second. We're going to have our espresso machine right here, so we'll be back to espresso-based drinks. More coffee equipment back here. We're still kind of setting things up.
Gotcha.
But this is another huge thing I'm really excited about.
Oh my god, this is a big upgrade.
Yeah. So this kitchen here, just the square footage of the kitchen is larger than the old cafe.
Wow, yeah, I can see that.
Just the kitchen.
You got proper dishwashing areas.
Yep. Proper cook line. This is your question about the milkshakes.
Oh, yeah. So before, if he was out of ice cream in the actual cafe, he'd have to go down this huge corridor, down into the basement, into the freezer, and bring ice cream back up.
Now our walk-in freezer and fridge is literally like right there. So.
Oh, nice.
It's.
You got right in there. You got two of them, or a cooler freezer?
Yeah, this is the freezer, and then the other side's the refrigerator.
Cool.
But got our Vitamixes, got our ice cream cabinet here.
And you even have an office now.
That's our office. At our old spot, our office was up on the second floor.
Upstairs, yeah.
So we had to like walk down every time we needed to help out the kitchen or whatever. But now it's right here. We can just pop out and help out whenever we're needed.
Is that the West Memphis?
West Memphis 3, ALF, Steve Biko, Malcolm X. We had this artwork hanging up at our old cafe.
Yeah. Well, I never saw that one, but I've seen those ones.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then our cook line, which I'm super stoked about.
So yeah, I was gonna ask, so can you differentiate? I think I already can, but you brought a lot of stuff from the old cafe.
We brought some stuff. We actually only brought two things.
Oh.
We brought this cooler here, which is going to be our sandwich cooler.
Okay.
And then we brought our ice cream freezer over there, which I just showed you. Other than that, everything else is brand new.
Nice.
Convection oven, 6-burner stovetop, convection underneath.
Oh, that's brand new.
Like literally brand new.
Look at that, before it's used. There it is.
Our cheese melter, which is also
Broiler?
called a salamander. Yep, flip that on, put an open face sandwich in or whatever.
Also brand new.
This is a flat top grill. We used this for 1 year at the New York State Fair. So it's basically brand new. We used it for 12 days.
And the one thing you never had at the other location, but you have at the Hill, is
right here.
a deep fryer. So you're going to be able to make some wings and cheese sticks. And
we're going to have a full-on chicken wing menu. We're doing Moz sticks. We're doing nachos. We're doing French fries for the first time. So really elevating our vegan comfort food game here.
Sweet.
Our salad cooler, yeah. Totally brand spanking new, ready to go.
But you can't wait to get started.
A small wares rack, and this is kind of our dish pit area. It starts here. We have a commercial dishwasher for the first time. Hand sink, produce sink, 3-bay sink, ice machine, and a mop sink over in the corner.
Now does that door lead right out to like the dumpster or something?
It does, yeah. We have an alleyway in the back, which all of our deliveries are going to be coming through the back door now. So it's wide enough to pull a whole pallet through. I know it looks messy now, but it's really not that big a deal.
So, is this a brand new building?
This is a brand new building. When we signed the letter of intent 2 years ago, it was 2 years ago this month, this was like, there was nothing here. There was dirt floors, no walls. So everything that you see, like we built. That's one of the reasons why it took so dang long.
Oh, and this goes right back out to the beginning?
Yep, back to the front of the house.
All right, so
We got prep tables here. We're gonna have a full-time prep person just prepping all of our food inside of our walk-in. It's being hooked up right now.
I have another question, which you've kind of already answered a little bit, but what your menu, is it going to be completely different, or is it going to be half and half, or?
Not going to be completely different. We're definitely taking some things off the menu from our old spot and introducing some new stuff, but we're going to kind of take it slow at first. We don't want to bite off more than we can chew right away. We want to do what we do and do it very well before we take on any crazy new menu stuff.
Now you're known for having like the most variety of milkshakes. Are you still going to go with all those? Or?
Oh yeah, the milkshakes absolutely are not going anywhere. I mean, we'll have 47 milkshakes on the menu to start with, and then we always do a few seasonal ones too. So, yeah, absolutely.
Well, guys, you just got a sneak peek at the brand new Stronghearts before they're open. So, you said, what was the date you're opening?
We hope to be open next week. A few things are out of our control. We're working with some contractors kind of on their schedule, but we hope to be open like for sure in like 1 more week.
And I recommend, if you live in Syracuse or anywhere near Syracuse, you got to come here and you got to check it out. And tell them I sent you. Tell them he sent you. All right, man. Well, thanks for giving me a little sneak peek. I can't wait to come in here. And you guys, I want to see in the comments below, when you come here, I want to know what you had. I want to know what you thought of it. I want to know who you brought. Well, you don't have to tell me all that, but give me a thumbs up, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and we'll see you guys in the next video.